Assalamu alaikum, all viewers and my dear students. Welcome to English class. My today's class. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. At first, I am Parvin Akhtar, lecturer English, Rampur Ideal Alim Madrasa, Kamranga Sodar, Jadpur. Today, I am going to take a class for class 9-10 English second paper, and my topic is changing of degree. Hope you will all enjoy the class. So my dear students, take your exercise book and pen and enjoy the class. Note down important items. Okay, let's enjoy our today's class. Here are given some pictures. Look at the pictures. It is small, but it is smaller, and it is smallest. Next picture. It is high, but it is higher, and it is highest. So small, smaller, smallest, high, higher, highest. So can you guess what is our topic today? Yes, our today's topic is transformation of degree. What will we learn after this lesson? So after this lesson, we will be able to learn these 6 items. Change superlative to positive, comparative to positive, comparative to superlative, superlative to comparative, and positive to superlative, and positive to comparative. These 6 items we will be able to learn after this lesson. So first one, superlative degree to positive degree. If there is the plus superlative form of adjective, the structure will be at first no other than the part after superlative degree plus bar plus as or so positive form of adjective or degree as plus past subject. So look at some example. Rohim is the tallest man in the village. So at first no other, then the part after superlative degree. So what is the part after superlative degree? Here tallest is the superlative degree. So next part after superlative degree, man in the village. So no other, man in the village, then bar is here is, then as, tall. So positive form of adjective here, tall, tallest, tall, again as, then first subject is Rohim. So no other man in the village is as tall as Rohim. Next one. The mutton chop was the cheapest dish on the menu. So at first start with no other. So no other. Then what is superlative degree here? Cheapest. So the next part, dish on the menu. No other dish on the menu. Then verb is was, as, then as, cheap. What is positive form of the cheapest? As cheap as the first subject, the mutton chop. So no other dish on the menu was as cheap as the mutton chop. Next one. 2. In the case of one of the. If superlative degree start with one of the, so starts a very few, the part of the superlative degree, plural verb as so, positive form of adjective as first person. Look at the example. He is one of the oldest men in the village. So start with very few, the part after superlative degree. Here man in the village is the part after superlative degree. So very few men in the village are as old as he. So here look at the verb will be plural. Here the verb is, but here the verb will be are. And also subject will be plural. Here is man, but here is man. Very few men in the village are as old as he. Just look at the structure. Next one. Nazrul is one of the greatest poets of Bangladesh. So positive degree will be start with very few. Then what is the next part of poets of Bangladesh? What is the next part after superlative degree? Poets of Bangladesh. So very few poets of Bangladesh. Verb will be plural. So is plural will be are as great as Nazrul. Clear, my students? Number 3. No other, the other part superlative degree positive. The cow is the most useful of all animals. So no other, the other part superlative degree, verb as so positive degree. So cow is the most useful of all animals. So no other animal is as useful as the cow. The Podda is the largest of our rivers in our country. No other river in our country is as large as the Podda. So here you have to note that if there is a ball or of any in the superlative degree, here look at, here is a ball in the superlative degree. So in the case of positive degree, you have to deduct that of all or ab any. Look at, the cow is the cow is the most useful of all animals. Here is of all, but in the positive degree there is no of all. So you have to deduct this item. Then part 2, comparative degree to positive degree. So if comparative degree with then is affirmative, you have to remember that we have to recognize comparative degree by seeing then. Every comparative degree there is then. So if comparative degree with then is affirmative, then positive degree will be plus subject, then verb, plus not, plus s, positive form of adjective, first subject. Look at some example. Rohim is better than Korim. Rohim is better than Korim. So you have to use last subject. What is last subject here? Korim. Korim, then verb is, then not, as, good. What is why good here? Good is the positive form of better. So Rohim is not as good as Rohim. Sorry, Korim is not as good as Rohim. The subject, then verb, then negative, then as, then positive form of adjective, again as, then first subject. You have to remember here, if the sentence is affirmative, you have to transfer in the positive form it negative. Next one. A bird flies faster than a plane. So what is the last subject here? A plane. A plane does not fly as fast as a bird. So here, why does not? Because here flies is the verb. So if you want to negative fly, you have to use does not. Third person singular number, does not fly as fast as a bird. This is our comparative degree to positive degree, first one. Then 2, comparative degree with then is negative. If comparative degree with then is negative, then the last subject verb as positive form of adjective, first subject. Korim is not more active than Rohim. So what is last subject here? Rohim is as active as Korim. I have already mentioned, if sentence is affirmative, you have to do it negative, and if sentence is negative in the comparative form, you have to affirmative it in the positive form. So here again structure, last subject, here last subject Rohim, then verb is, here is, then as, and positive form of adjective more active. So what is the positive form of more active? Only active, and again as, then first subject. In the same way, the next one. Shamim is not more intelligent than Shimo. So last subject Shimo is as intelligent as Shamim. You have to remember in this way, if there is not, you have to use not, and if there is not, you have to deduct that not. Third one. If comparative degree with then any other or then all other, then positive degree will be no other. The part after then any other or all other, verb as, so positive form of adjective as, first subject. Look at the example. Rohim is better than any other boy in our school. So start no other, then the other part after any other boy in our school, no other boy in our school, then verb is as better. Positive form of better is good as Rohim, first subject. So no other boy in our class is as good as Rohim. Then second example. Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. I think we'll be able to do it. So at first we have to use no other, then no other. The last part after any, then any other, then any other. Here is then any other. The rest of part after any other. City in Bangladesh. No other city in Bangladesh. Then verb is here is, then as, bigger. Positive form will be big as first subject Dhaka. So no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. So here is comparative degree with few other or than most other. Positive degree structure, very few, the part after, then few other, then most other, plural verb as, positive form of adjective as plus first subject. So comparative, he is greater than most other men in the village. So very few men in the village are as great as he. Very few. So again look at the structure. Very few. Then the part after superlative degree, men in the village. Very few men in the village. Then verb will be plural, are as great as he. Very few men in the village are as great as he. Poets is more expensive than most other restaurants. So very few restaurants are as expensive as Poets. That means the sentence starts with very few. Then the other part after that, most other restaurants are as expensive as Poets. Then part C, comparative degree to superlative degree. Comparative degree with then any other, then all other to superlative degree. So what will be the structure? At first subject, then verb, then the comparative form of adjective, the part after then any other or then all other. Comparative. Sultana is shorter than any other girl in our school. So structure at first subject, here subject is Sultana, then verb is, then the, have to use extra the, then comparative form of adjective. So what is the comparative form of adjective? Sultana is, superlative form of adjective. Sultana is the shortest, then the part after, then any other. Shortest girl in our school. Dhaka is bigger than all other cities in Bangladesh. So, according to structure, Dhaka is the biggest of all cities in Bangladesh. Clear, my students? So, comparative degree with then most other or then few other. What will be the superlative degree? So in this case, subject verb one of the. If there is most other or few other in the comparative degree, in the case of superlative, you have to use one of the. Look at the example. Dhaka is bigger than most other cities in Bangladesh. So Dhaka, at first subject Dhaka, verb is, then you have to use one of the. Dhaka is one of the superlative form of bigger, biggest. Dhaka is one of the biggest. Then the other, after the part of, then most other. So what is the part after most other? Cities in Bangladesh. So Dhaka is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. Next one. Sylhet is more populous than most other cities in Bangladesh. I think we will be able to do it. Sylhet is one of the most populous cities in Bangladesh. Part D. Superlative degree to comparative degree. So the plus superlative of adjective and the comparative. What will be the structure? Subject plus verb, comparative form of adjective, then any other or then all other, the part after superlative degree. Here is the example. Chattogram is the biggest seaport in Bangladesh. You have to hear superlative to comparative. So at first subject remains subject, verb remain verb. Chattogram is, what is the comparative form of biggest? Bigger. So Chattogram is bigger than any other, then any other or all other, the part after superlative degree. So what is the part here? Seaport in Bangladesh. Chattogram is bigger than any other seaport in Bangladesh. In the same way, walking is the best exercise. Subject walking, subject and verb remain same. Walking is best, better. The comparative form of best, better. Walking is better than any other exercise. If superlative with one of the, then comparative structure, subject plus verb, comparative form of adjective, then most other. That means if superlative has one of the, comparative will be most other or the other part superlative degree. So Parag is one of the tallest boy in the class. So what will be? Parag is taller than most other boys in the class. Again, subject remains subject, verb, verb, taller, comparative form of tallest, then most other because of superlative degree, then the other part after superlative degree. What is the other part? Boys in the class. So Parag is taller than most other boys in the class. Next one, Shirin is one of the best girls in the class. So Shirin is best, better. Shirin is better than most other girls in the class. Note. In the case of all or of any, then all other. E. Part 5. Positive degree to superlative degree. Positive degree with no other. If there is no other in the positive degree, in the case superlative degree will be last subject, verb, the superlative form of adjective, the part after no other. So no other man is as happy as a successful man. So what is your structure? At first last subject. Here is last subject, a successful man. A successful man, then verb, verb is here is, then the superlative form of adjective, here adjective is happy, so superlative form of happy is happiest, then the part after no other. So no other, after no other there is only man. So the answer is a successful man is the happiest man. Next one, no other person is as hatred as a corrupted man. So here last subject, a corrupted man, verb is the most hated person. A corrupted man is the most hated person. Positive degree with very few. If there is very few in the positive degree, what will be the structure of superlative degree? So in this case, the superlative degree have to remember one of them. Suppose very few women are as lazy as she. At first last subject, what is last subject here? She. She, then verb is. She is one of the laziest women. Lazy, superlative form laziest. She is one of the laziest women. Very few animals are as ferocious as tiger. So here is last subject, tiger is. We have to use one of the superlative ferocious, most ferocious animals. Tiger is one of the most ferocious animals. F6. Positive degree to comparative degree. So if positive degree start with no other, what will be the structure of comparative degree? Again last subject, verb, comparative form of adjective, then any other, the part after no other. Here is given example. No other river in Bangladesh is as big as Padma. So last subject here, Padma, then verb is big, comparative form bigger, Padma is bigger, then you have to use then any other, then the part after no other, river in Bangladesh. Padma is bigger than any other river in Bangladesh. Another example. No other boy in the class is as good as Rana. So what is the last subject here? Rana, then verb is, Rana is good, comparative better than any other, no other boy in the class. So what it would be the last one? The part after no other. So what is the part after no other? Boy in the class. So Rana is better than any other boy in the class. So this is your evaluation. Corruption is one of the world's evils. You have to do it positive. My jungle heart is one of the most peaceful places in the world. You have to do it positive. She is more beautiful than her sister, positive. Very few anime things are as useful as television, superlative. Akbar is greater than most other kings of India, positive. No other seaport is as big as Chittagong, comparative. So my dear students, corruption is one of the world's evils. Can you guess what type of the given example? Yes, the given example is superlative and you have to do it positive. Here is one of the, so the positive degree start with very few. Now, match the answer. Very few evils are as bad as corruption. So next one also superlative and you have to do it positive. Same, very few places in the world are as peaceful as my jungle heart. She is more beautiful than her sister. Can you guess? The given example is, yes, it is comparative. You have to do it positive. So last subject at first, her sister is not as beautiful as she. Next one, very few things are as useful as television. So the given sentence is positive. You have to do it superlative. Television is one of the most useful things. Akbar is greater than most other kings of India. So positive. Very few kings of India are as great as Akbar. Last one. No other seaport is as big as Chittagong. So comparative. Chittagong is the biggest seaport. Sorry, it is wrong. Chittagong is bigger than any other seaport. So this is your homework. You all confirm your homework and write down the answer in your exercise book and can take a peek and send it to my inbox. First one, the rose is the best of all flower, positive. It is lovelier than all other flowers, superlative. No other month is as good as January, superlative. No other city is as risky as Dhaka, comparative. Slavery is not as inhuman as it, comparative. So, my dear students, hope you will all enjoy the class. Thanks for today, and I will come again with another class. Till then, you will be, hope you will be well. Thanks to all again. Allah Hafiz.